Hello friends and traders, this is Punam. Welcome to my channel FinMarket View, your guide to smart market moves. Please look at the disclaimer. This is not a financial advice. All right, let's dive into the charts. Let's review Defiance Quantum ETF and their top holdings in the ETF stock. We'll start with QTUM Quantum Defiance ETF. On a monthly time frame, we have a nice uptrend going on. On a weekly time frame, we have a nice uptrend going on. Daily, right now, this consolidation is going on between the price 85. So if you take the previous low 53 to the previous support area 78, so we expect our price target on a trend fib extension 0.5, which is 95, is a first target, and second target is 114. So definitely this quantum ETF have a upside potential to these two targets, 95 and 115. This chart looks good both on the monthly, daily, and weekly time perspectives. This is a main quantum ETF, and let's review a couple of top holdings on this ETF. So, and most likely this will trigger the price ups and downs on this ETF. We'll start with RGTI, Rigetti Computing Inc. You see that last couple of months, 3 months, we have a massive strong on this chart and this stock, and we have a couple of quick sell off to $7 area, a strong support, and then we have another support formed which is $11 area. So based on the chart and technicals, I could say this price easily can reach to 18 to $20 range in couple of weeks. Look for price target to 18 to $20 range. Yeah. Then if any price comes down, this is still $7 is still a long-term buying opportunity for RGTI. We'll move on to QBTS, D-Wave Quantum stock. Last couple of months, nice uptrend, came to retracement to this weekly resistance, and then now price is holding nicely. Right now is consolidation phase on a daily time frame. Anytime if the price pull back to $4 area, still a long-term entry. We could buy now, or we could also wait for $5 area for re-entry into this QBTS market. The immediate short-term resistance, I could still see that $10 range is still a short-term resistance. So if we looking for long on this price range, in this price range, definitely we're looking for price target is $10 for now. That's what the chart showing. We'll move on to IONQ, IONQ. Same thing, similar to we have a nice uptrend on the monthly, nice uptrend, and then we came to retracement on the weekly support, and then price held, and then right now is a consolidation phase on the daily time frame. So anything if price push back to 30, still a buy entry, then we'll eventually push the price target to 49 area. So this is a strong resistance I am looking at for now on IONQ. We'll move on to Baba. Alibaba Holdings, last couple of weeks, a nice strong momentum in the stock, both on the monthly time frame also. And we have a pullback. If any time price come back to 105.95 area is still a long-term buy opportunity. But look for a monthly resistance on 158. So that means our price target can easily to 158 in the near term future. We'll move on to PLTR, Palantir Technologies. On a monthly time frame, a strong uptrend. Weekly time frame, strong uptrend. We have a slowdown on the after earnings gap up. We have slowdown. If you see that we have this new buy zone is triggered. If anything, price come back to 104, still a buying opportunity. Based on the fib extensions, 50% retracement, we have 127 price target, and the target to 100% is 156. So we still have upside potential on 156. But if any weakness in the market, you still have a buy entry 105, and then buy entry, a long-term buy entry 85. So definitely 85 is a very long-term. It price might not reach, but eventually 105 is easily reachable to here. Um, if you look for the price targets, looking for short-term 127 and then 156 on the PLTR price targets. We'll move on to Snowflake. Snowflake, last couple of weeks, we have some momentum, some strong momentum upside potential. So definitely, um, if right now the price is 187, if the price come back to 171, still I'm a buyer. But look for a strong monthly and weekly resistance on 226. So if the earnings are good, or next week, this month, I think the earnings are in next following week, I believe. So if there is any gap down to 171, we expect the price push back to 226. So 226 still a strong resistance area, price will be held. So that's a profit target for Snowflake. We'll move on to AMAT, Applied Materials. We have a lot of weakness in the market last couple of months, downtrend, weekly downtrend. But last the daily time frame, we showed some kind of strength. We have this momentum up, and right now it's going down. But on a daily time frame, we see two areas of buy entry, 165 and then 154, two areas we can enter this market. If any gap down to like this or higher, still 155 to 160 still accumulation area. And definitely watch for 216 is the near term resistance, and also eventually 240 is the 249 is another resistance, which is a strong daily and monthly resistance. But right now AMAT is still 155 is still a buying opportunity. We'll move on to ASML Holdings. ASML, last 3 months we have a nice momentum, is still going upward pressure on the same thing I can see on a weekly also. So price can easily come back to 697. This can push to 850 and then go down, push to 925, go down and push to 1060 eventual target. So this still have a long lot of profit upside on to this 1060 area on ASML. We'll move on to Accenture. Accenture, last 3 weeks, a lot of strength in the market. Accenture, same thing on the daily time frame. We see the strength. The nearest support is 381, is a buying entry. 363 is also buying entry. And look for a strong monthly and weekly daily resistance to 104. So right now, if the price 388, this can easily go to 405, 420 area. If it comes to 363, still a buying entry. But if the price stays above this 380, I am looking to sell this on 420. We'll move on to Qualcomm. Qualcomm, last couple of months we had a weakness, and then but last 4 weeks we have a strength in the market for Qualcomm. So on a daily time frame, we have a nice strength. Anything push back to this 165, 160 area is still a buying entry. And look for price target for Qualcomm on a monthly, weekly, daily is under 190, 200-ish area. So this is the price target of for Qualcomm, 200 price target for Qualcomm. Move on to RTX. RTX is a monthly nice uptrend, weekly nice uptrend. Recently, I see some kind of weakness on the daily time frame. So this may trigger next week. So 120 and 115 still a buying opportunities for RTX Corporation. The price targets are 50% retracement to highs 131, and the second target retracement to 145 in upside potential. Definitely RTX. The stock is strong, and I can see all the good things. So definitely price move to this level. We'll move on to KLAC. KLAC Corporation. Last 2 months is strong momentum upside. On a weekly also momentum upside, daily also is momentum upside. Anything retrace back to 702 or 655 is a buying opportunity. Or if the market is strong, this price easily eventual target is 855 to 885. So that's a strong monthly, weekly, daily resistance. So definitely look for to sell on 8055 if you're going long on here, or if you're going long on 702. Wait for long-term target for 855 or 882. We'll move on to IBM. IBM is a last couple of months, a lot of strength and strong in the market. You see a good uptrend on the monthly, good uptrend on the weekly, and the daily also good uptrend. So based on the current price 261, if I want to make a long-term bet on the IBM, I will wait for 329 to reach before make a long-term. Otherwise, if the price stays above on 261, the first target is on 278, which is a 100% retracement. And the second, I don't see the second target. So the only the one target right now, 278. So at 278, we expect the price go breach and then come back to 230 after the earnings maybe, and then we push higher. So re-entry is 229 for IBM. The last stock is ESTC, Elastic. Elastic last 4 months we have some upside potential on a monthly, and the weekly also upside potential, and the daily also a nice trend. Right now it's a consolidation going on. Anything if the price push down to 102 is still a buying opportunity, and then to push. If it is a 102 entry, then we make this push to 129 first target, which is a gap fill area on 129 136, and eventually the monthly and weekly resistance or supply level, which is 146 162 area. So look for this resistance zone 130 and also 146 for selling, taking profit points. Anything re-entry is 102 is still a buying opportunity. So these are all the top holdings for the quantum. Thank you all to share my thoughts on the markets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a market update. Stay happy, stay fit, stay healthy, and have a safe trading and investing.